Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Desi Chana. Desi Chana, also known as brown chickpeas, is a versatile and nutritious legume that forms the base of many wonderful dishes. We'll go over the simple steps to transform these humble chickpeas into a flavorful meal, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to learn how to prepare this staple with ease and confidence. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key. First, you'll want to soak your Desi Chana overnight, or for at least 8 hours, to ensure even cooking and reduce cooking time. After soaking, thoroughly rinse and drain them. This step helps remove any impurities and prepares them perfectly for the next stage. Gather your other ingredients like onions, tomatoes, and your favorite spices so everything is ready to go. Now for the exciting part, cooking. You have a couple of options. For a quicker meal, a pressure cooker works wonders, typically taking about 20 to 30 minutes. If you prefer a richer, deeper flavor, slow cooking on the stovetop for 1 to 2 hours is ideal. Remember to add your chosen spices and aromatics, like ginger and garlic, during the cooking process to infuse the chana with incredible taste. Once your Desi Chana is perfectly cooked, the possibilities are endless. Serve it as a hearty side dish, a main course with rice or bread, or even in a vibrant salad. Desi Chana is packed with protein and fiber, making it a healthy and satisfying addition to your diet. With these simple steps, you'll be able to create a delicious and authentic Desi Chana dish every time. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.